anyway, it's nicely rutted out. I think we just go straight up the guts. It's that first 20 minutes of a ride when everybody's sort of sorting out their position, getting their mojo. Some of the riders have been up here before, but some of them are, I suppose, flat earthers, not used to riding in the mountains or hills and the like, so a bit of a learning period for them. I can see some of the guys are struggling with the right hand corners, and yeah, some of the boys are on pretty heavy bikes as well, so that's going to be interesting going up the next big hill. Okay, Mount Terrible, here we come. Get a little bit dusty now. We had about a I don't know, about 12 mils of rain yesterday in a very short period, so we were sort of expecting the tracks to be quite wet, muddy, slushy, but yeah, these are great. Okay, you did it last time, should be able to do it this time. Oh, it's tight. Do you want to hop on there or go up to the flat there?
I don't know, it doesn't look like very...
I'd start it and just roll it up to that flat there and then try from there, so you're not taking off on the loose gravel and turning at 30 degrees or whatever it is. Just wind it up there slowly. Straighten it up. Whoa, stop. Go from there. And when you go up there, go out to the left, then come across.
I'll go that way and up.
Go over to the left, then come across so you can come across the hill.
Sorry, mate.
No, it's all good. That's what I get paid the big bickies for. No big bickies. I've got a small packet of tiny teddies before.
I see that.
Yeah, bonus.
Yeah. Oh, that's all right. Maybe put the stand down.
Right. Yeah. Get a run up.
Sorry, mate.
No, it's all good. Well, we made it to the top of Mount Terrible without much carnage. Everything's looking pretty good. It's a beautiful day up here. Looking across the valley, it's so clear. It's probably up around 20, 21 degrees Celsius up here, so we're starting to work up a bit of a sweat. I won't take you for a tour of the hut itself. One of my previous videos, you can see that. So we're just getting ready to do the descend down the mountain, down Mount Terrible, back to Merridew. Not sure which way we're going. But so far, so good. You know what they say, whatever goes up must come down. So now we're on our descent from the top of Mount Terrible. I believe we're going back to Big River Road. Let him get a bit of space on me. Righto. There was another rider down. He's recovered well. Maybe not. Not wise words. I think I'll go down and give him a hand. Yep, let's get it up. You got to turn it around, take it back down to that bank there.
Go back around that way?
Yeah, go back around that way. Then go down to that mound there. Turn your bike around, then get a run up. Yeah. If that works for you. It's your bike.
Yeah.
Do you want me to pick from this side or come from that side?
It's probably better if I go like this.
Yep.
I'm just going to try and run backwards, that's the only thing. So if you were a stopper...
Just keep it going. Work that clutch. Work the clutch. Go.
Say again?
Straighten up and go forward. So you can get it straight.
Might be in second. Yeah, I was in second.
Righto, first gear. Hold. Okay, there we go. Well, we got made up the hill and then disaster struck. Well, I accidentally stepped on my sunglasses, then looked at my bike, the rear end, and the number plate was dangling off, just hanging on. So it's now in my backpack. Carnage. Some nice little steep tracks. Better going down than going up. Just rolling down. Angel gear. One way to cook the brakes. Well, that was a long descent for a South Australian. Pretty much not used to coming down hills like that. So we got to the bottom of Mount Terrible and we're just turning onto Big River Road, heading back to Jamison for a beer. So looking forward to that. That's a long descent. I think we dropped 800 or 900 metres on the one track. So yeah, pretty impressive. Love riding this area. The boys are all doing really well. You're doing really well, guys. The best end of the day, a brewery. Oh, we're looking forward to this. Nice cold beer. Well, it's day 2 of the Victorian High Country Classic, and here we are up in the Alpine National Park. Following the Bluff Link, we're going to go up to the Bluff Hut. We started at our campground down at Merrijig this morning. We'll head down the Bluff Link, up the Bluff Hut, then we're going to go down to Lycola, fuel up, lunch, then return. I'm leading the pack this morning, and Stewie's going to take over in the afternoon. Beautiful day. Have a look at this. Nice blue sky, a few clouds around. I think it's getting up to about 2021. Guys are all travelling really well. We've got an extra rider today. We had 9 with us yesterday. We got 10 today, so I think we've had one of the hard enduro boys come across to our pack. Here's our fearless leader, Stewie. How you going, Stewie?
Apparently there was a deer.
I saw 2 deer run across in front of us, yeah.
Sweet, do you have your camera on it?
No, I missed that one, mate.
Yeah.
Just cruising up to the Bluff Hut. This will challenge some of the bigger bikes. It was a bit loose coming up there, but generally okay. I pretty much sat on my seat the whole way, so not too bad. And here we are, guys. Welcome to the Bluff Hut. This is situated at 1,510 metres above sea level, which is pretty high for Australia, but not the highest point. Here they all come. Looking good. Enjoy that?
That was a lumpy ride.
It was.
Yeah, that was cool.
Very lumpy.
Did well.
You want to try doing it when it's wet or a bit of snow around, then you'll know about it.
It's interesting going down it too.
Yeah, yeah. You can catch out.
106 on mine.
They made it!
The old stand up. Oh, water crossing. This would have to be one of my most favourite tracks. Just leaving from the Bluff Hut, going across the Lovics. This is Bluff track. It's just got some great sort of ups and downs, rocky surfaces, sort of track you can sort of get up off the seat or just, you know, relax, sit back and relax on the bike. Pretty easy on a DRZ on a live bike. go catch these boys. Right it down. Fucking rocky. Fucking rocky. Whew. Sorry about the language. Let's go, pick him up. Oh, you're doing good. Straight for that rock.
Which one was it? That one?
Yeah, that one on your left there, yeah.
Yeah, it's alright.
You did well.
Thank you.
Gun it.
I'm enjoying this more.
You are? You're nice. You're doing well, mate.
Can you explain one thing?
Yeah.
Why, if you look ahead, you don't stop?
I think you just get fixation. Target fixation. You just go for it. You're concentrating on that one point rather than what's actually happening below you.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a weird one.
It'll come to you. More go, more go. Beautiful. So we had some challenging moments there crossing the ranges. Now we're on Howard's Road. Got another 77 kilometres to go. I think I've got 4 bike riders directly in front of me. But I'm stuck back in the dust. Welcome to Lycola. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful here. Well, here we are at Lycola. So much to do here. What a beautiful spot. It's been many years since I've been here. Boys all lining up. Some of them are getting fuel. No doubt they'll be eating drinks as well.
Go and top up, man.
Rightio. Gonna go top up with fuel. Gonna get in line. Well, we're all fueled up, had a drink, few of us had ice creams, fully refreshed, ready for the trip home. Now off to Jamison. We'll stop at a place called Mount Skeen, I think it is. Mount Skeen, there's a bit of a look out there. Check that out, then yeah, mosey on down to Jamison, then back to Merrijig. And that'll be the end of day 2. How good's this? Check out this country. Oh, to be on a road bike now, it'd be wonderful. Boys on the big bikes, on the big Beamers and that, they'd be loving this. We're on the Lycola to Jamison Road and we're just about to stop at a scenic lookout. I think it's called Mount Skeen Scenic Lookout. All the boys are parked up waiting for us. Oh, look at that. Beautiful area. It's like we're lining up for that once in a lifetime photo.
Got the moon shot at the start or after?
End of day 2. Just leaving the Jamison Courthouse Hotel. Quick beer, sneaky beer, back to Merrijig, reset, get ready for tomorrow. Well, it's day 3 of the Victorian High Country Classic 2024, and we've headed out from Mary Jig along Buttercup Road, heading towards, I believe we're going towards Whitfield, Lake William Hovell, around that way. Then we'll be trekking back around to Craig's Hut, and I'm going to assume we're going to probably take Jeep track. Craig's Hut, then I think we'll drop back down into camp at Mary Jig, and I think that's something like about 175 kilometres. So we've had one ADV rider drop out of the pack and one enduro rider join us, so that gives us 10 riders with 2 lead riders, being a lead rider and a sweep. Anyway, absolutely awesome day today. Some cracking pace happening, fairly dusty. Yeah, let's go do this. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit comments, all that sort of YouTube stuff. You know what I want. Better be recording this. Woo! Fuck!
Yeah, you right?
Yeah, just hold them there. I told you GoPro on for insurance claim.
You're doing it wrong.
Well, that didn't go so well. I thought that was the jump there. We're supposed to come flying through, hit a jump, and it was flat there. I didn't expect this. That was a rider down, so we're doing a bit of fixing the bike at the moment, just taking off all the sharp parts. It's always good to see riders jump in and give advice and take all the bits and pieces off.
Yeah, use this screw. There you go, it's got to pull these out. Put them back in. I think that's what it comes. That's been rewired before.
That's going on Marketplace, $10. It's a nice big rock garden. It's been throwing the boys around a fair bit. They've done really well. I've not seen one come down on this track. It's been pretty well rocky all the way up. There was a bit of concern at first whether we were going to come up this way, but they're doing it. Good on you guys, well done. Mate's left his stand down, so I've got to get over to him. Up near me. Round him up. Got him. Your stand was down. It's up now, you just flicked it up with your leg. It was all the way down.
That's what I've done on the trip before.
And he's got a whole bunch of shit hanging from his bike. Alrighty. Craig's Hut, here we come. I'm going to assume it's pretty busy because there's quite a few cars coming down. Alrighty. One simply does not visit the High Country in Victoria without going to the Craig's Hut. What's going on?
I think I have to go home an easy way, Martin.
Why's that?
My legs. I'm just worried that it's going to get too rough.
Okay, that's one rider pulled out. He's feeling a bit sore, so bit hesitant about coming up here. Yeah, for those who've not ever ridden up to Craig's Hut, it's easy. It's this track here. It's well maintained. Looks like it's just recently been graded. So yeah, easy going. You know, I just saw I think it was a Toyota Tercel coming down from here. So no problems at all if you want to come up here on a bike. You can get a road bike up here with the proper balance. So we made it up to Craig's Hut. Some of the guys are just sitting back having lunch there. And what, we lost one rider. It's an absolutely beautiful day up here. There's plenty of people around. It's a weekend, so you get a lot of Melbourne people up here. Best time to visit the hut is during the week. Don't come here on a long weekend. You'll be in trouble. It'll be packed. There'll be picnics everywhere. So if you want to look through the hut, I've got another video on that. Well, that was Craig's Hut, done and dusted. Now we're heading up to Mount Buller Alpine Resort, and I believe we're going on Cornhill Road. Let me have a look. Yeah, we're going up there on Cornhill Track, which should lead us up the back of Mount Buller. And once we're up there, we'll grab a coffee. Welcome to Mount Buller. Some of the guys have decided to go back to the campground, and we're coming up here to see if we can find a sneaky coffee up here somewhere. Someone said go up here and turn right. Maybe here in Alpine Central. Well, we haven't found a coffee yet, but we're going to get to the top. Go right up to the very top. And just check out the view, I suppose. A few bushwalkers, they won't be happy with all the motorbikes coming up here. Oh mate, you need a chairlift. Awesome. I don't think we're going to be walking up there. I have been up there before. I rode a push bike all the way up there. Well guys, that brings us to the end of the 2024 Victorian High Country Classic. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. It's been a tremendous 3 days. And here comes our leader, Stu. Where's he going? Come alongside of me.